In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get NordVPN on your LG Smart TV step by step. If you've been trying to access more streaming content, protect your privacy, or unlock shows that aren't available in your region, this guide will walk you through everything clearly and easily. The first thing you should know is that LG Smart TVs run on the WebOS system, which doesn't allow you to directly install VPN apps from the TV itself. But don't worry, there are two simple and effective ways to use a VPN on your LG TV. The first method is to install NordVPN directly on your Wi-Fi router. NordVPN is fast, secure, and works perfectly for streaming platforms like Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, Amazon Prime Video, and many more. Before we start, use the link in the description to get NordVPN at a great price and follow along with this tutorial. Once you've created your account, open your router's admin panel on your computer or phone. Log in and look for the VPN configuration section. From your NordVPN account dashboard, you can easily find all the setup details you need, including your username, password, and configuration files. Enter those details into your router's VPN settings, save your changes, and connect. After setup, every device connected to your Wi-Fi, including your LG Smart TV, will automatically be protected by NordVPN. That means you'll be able to stream safely and access content from other regions without doing anything else on your TV. The second method is to share your VPN connection from another device. If you have a Windows PC or a Mac, install the NordVPN app there, connect to a server of your choice, and then share that VPN connection with your LG TV. You can do this either using an Ethernet cable or by turning your computer into a Wi-Fi hotspot. This way, your TV will use your computer's VPN connection, giving you the same protection and regional access as any other VPN-enabled device. Once your VPN is active, turn on your LG Smart TV and open your favorite streaming apps. You'll instantly notice new content libraries unlocked. For example, connect to a US server to access American Netflix or Hulu, or switch to a UK server for BBC iPlayer and other British shows. NordVPN is ideal for this setup because it's built for streaming. It offers thousands of high-speed servers across 129 countries, so you'll always get smooth playback with no buffering. Plus, NordVPN includes extra protection features like a kill switch, which automatically cuts your internet if the VPN disconnects, and threat protection, which blocks ads, malware, and trackers before they even load. And that's it. That's how you can install and set up NordVPN on your LG Smart TV. Whether you want more privacy, better streaming speeds, or access to global content, NordVPN makes it simple and reliable. Use the link in the description below to try NordVPN at a great price and start streaming safely and freely from anywhere in the world.